tayo with this two product, cosmetic product ng Nature Republic Province 2-Way Pack SPF 50 plus PA plus and versus the BLK Cosmetics Airy Matte Cushion Foundation with SPF 15 infused with 5% niacinamide with the shade of vanilla. So, beauties, unahin natin dito sa Nature Republic Province 2-Way Pack with SPF 50 plus PA plus.
Love and Christmas cheer. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The light.
Hello and welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel, and this is VLOGMAS Diaries number 5 to 11, guys. Beauties. So, beauties, for now, mag-in-depth review muna tayo sa VLOGMAS Diaries natin. Mag-in-depth review or swatches review. So, for now, swatches review plus in-depth review tayo with this two product, cosmetic product ng Nature Republic Province 2-Way Pack SPF 50 plus PA plus and versus the BLK Cosmetics Airy Matte Cushion Foundation with SPF 15 infused with 5% niacinamide with the shade of vanilla. So, beauties, unahin natin dito sa Nature Republic Province 2-Way Pack with SPF 50 plus PA plus, tatlong plus. So, hindi ko alam kung anong shades ko dito, pero nakalagay dito is 21. So, hindi natin alam yun, guys. So, unahin natin ang pagka-package, maganda dahil may din siyang salamin and nakahiwala yung kanyang sponge, this one. Tapos, ito yung mismong powder, guys. Beauties, ayan. So, it's just swatches review lang natin. Ayan, yung Nature Republic. Medyo light siya. So, parang ka-shades ko rin. Next one is this BLK Cosmetics Beauties with the Airy Matte Cushion Foundation with SPF 15 infused with 5% niacinamide and with the shade vanilla. So, ito ang pagka-package niya. Bubuksan natin. And meron din siyang salamin. Nakahiwala yung kanyang sponge. And talagang gamit na gamit ko minsan. Ayan, check it. Beauties. Hindi ko pa ito na nalaban. Then, ito yung pinaka-product ng powder product ng cushion. Airy Matte Cushion Foundation. So, medyo i-try lang natin. Ito. So, ito yung sa BLK. Ito yung sa BLK and ito yung sa Nature Republic. So, beauties, ang aking masasabi, ang in-depth review ko is itong Nature Republic is pwede lang siyang pang retouch nyo, or pwede kumari na pang pag may lakad kayo, yan. Pero mas nako-coverage niya ng yung face mo, or kumari may blemishes kayo or and all, Mas nako-coverage nitong BLK Cosmetics Airy Matte Cushion Foundation with SPF 15 infused with 5% niacinamide. So yan, dahil kitang-kita nyo rito ang kakaibahan niya. Talagang na cover niya yung isang ganito lang. And ito, pwede siya sa mga special occasion, unlike this one, sa mga, may mga lakad, may mga ano lang kayo, may mga biglaang lakad, or mamasyal sa mall, mag-shopping sa mall. So, kayo beauties, kung mayroon kayong in-depth review with these two products, then just comment down below and click the subscribe button na rin, and don't forget to click the like button, and see you on my next vlogmas again, beauties. Okay, Vlogmas Diaries number 5 to 11 ito. So bye.
Under bright lights, red,